cout keyword with the put2 operator. So today we will continue using the cout to display some text, as well as using the same cout keyword to compute the multiplication of 2. In this case, from the screen, I have this bar space here. Who can tell me what this space does from what we've discussed? This space will create. Come again. Okay, how about you? Okay. How about you? Those here. Anyway, so this line of code is saying that we want to display 2 times 1. And what is 2 times 1? What is 2 times 1? 2. Good. But this is where the operation is going on. The operation is going on here. Why? Because we have the operational sign multiplication here. This 2 times 1 is written in a string, meaning it is displaying on screen that 2 times 1 is equal to. Therefore, the computer or the program is going to compute 2 times 1 and put the answer right after the equal to. This bar space you see here simply means a space from, like a gap. Okay, you are creating a gap from the